All right, so on the other side of the break, we're going to meet the Manhattans. But right now, the Jamhattans are going to prep. Yeah, Manhattans, we're the Jamhattans. So we're going to do a little Jamhattans karaoke.
So when you say we, you're the singer.
No, never.
I'm the MC. I say, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time anywhere, here is Daniel Harris
for the
singing
first
some
time
Manhattans.
Anywhere?
Yeah, that's what I should say.
Okay.
All right, come. Two of us. Right now?
Manhattans have movement, you know?
Yeah, but...
Come on, we work out the movement. Manhattans have movement.
Honey, you...
No, not ready yet, not ready yet.
What do you mean, not ready yet?
Karaoke, there's something I have to change.
You know that, may I say?
Are the OOO parties supposed to do now?
No.
Yeah.
Are we ready now?
See, sir?
Honey, you are my shining star.
Don't you go away. Oh, baby, oh, baby.
Oh,
baby.
Oh, yeah, liquid. Wanna be
right here where you are till my dying day.
That sounds bad.
No. Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yo.
So many have tried to find
a love like yours and mine.
When them a look feet, but them can't find me. Girl, me can't say girl.
Right.
Make me love you more.
You shine.
Never been not singing man part.
I mean, yeah. As far as I know, there's no woman part in it.
Honey, I'll never leave you lonely.
I know that's your reading.
You know, reach the say yes.
To
give my love to you only. See, I part now. To you only.
Wicked.
To you only.
Honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. I think I'm going to be in the group.
You know one song we're going to sing for the whole concert?
Yes.
Wanna be
right here where you are until my dying day.
Sound like a starfish, but I sing it.
Yeah, baby. All right, so that's it.
Feels so good.
That is it.
When we're lying, no.
We're done.
Lost in love.
I want to hear and see the man.
Yeah,
want to see the every week.
Never you know what's funny.
Baby, when we touch, love you so much.
You're all I ever dream of. When I dream about your care too. Yeah, baby. Yo! Honey, I'll never leave you lonely.
I think them leave out that part.
Give my
Jody
love
goes on.
to you only.
Jody, what's that, Jody?
Only.
You're going to which next
Me
one?
want to say where the next one. I hope I the one I'm in love. No, this has got to be this. Oh, God.
What?
You have to talk, man, but this has got to be the saddest day of my life. I know the woman part.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah.
All right. I called you here today for a bit of bad news.
No, give me, no, I want to hear it. Not tell me never.
I won't be able to see you anymore.
Why? Your glasses never?
No, I've got obligations and you're broke. Yeah. And the ties that you have, I can't live with that anymore.
No, sir, I run a mind.
We've been meeting here every day.
I'm in a better offer.
And since this is our last day together, folks, give me some money.
No.
I want to hold you.
No, last day, don't hold me. Don't hold me.
Just one more time.
No, that's not hold go.
And when you turn and walk away, don't look back.
No, I wouldn't even look back.
Me feel me all cry. I'm going to cry. I want to remember you just
when you hear old man wicked
in this outfit.
You're
Let's just
wicked.
kiss and say goodnight. Goodbye.
Teacher, I had to meet you here today.
I like it.
That man, you're wicked, you see. There's just so many things to say. You could have texted me. Please don't stop me till I'm through.
All right. You're doing well.
This is something I hate to do. So why you doing it if you hate it never? We've been meeting here so long. We couldn't find our next place. I guess what we done, oh, was wrong.
Me love it.
Buckle is wicked. Please, darling, don't you cry.
Let's just kiss
No.
and say goodbye.
Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
Sheffield, me know like we understand the thing.
We're now moving on. Many months have passed us by. Yes, never I say go for you. Gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
I can't lie.
When I lie, I tell me I know. You're so wicked. I've got ties, and so do you.
I am a wicked.
What kind of ties you have? I just think this is the thing to do. That next woman is up. It's gonna hurt me, I can't lie.
Gerald Alston in the house. Fantastic.
Y'all sound great.
No, we don't.
Okay.
I think, are you going to finish first?
They decided to have us meet the Manhattans while we were so off.
The Manhattans are with us. We are the Jamhattans. We're going to go for a break, and when we come back, we'll have a chat with this outstanding trio. Stay with us, please.